Take the 7 cleansing breaths to clear the mind, and with the 7th and final breath, focus your thoughts to energy, your energy, the energy of the organic object in your hands, and repeat the words, matter has energy, spirit has energy, matter has spirit. Continue this slow chant while focused on the DNA connection you share with the object in your hands, until you can feel a sensation, the energy from the organic object you are attempting to connect with. Close your eyes and think of the water in your body. 60% of your being is flowing, able to transform from solid to liquid to gas and back again. Water has matter, has energy. Feel the energy flowing through your body, and then feel the energy of the organic object you hold. Let the 2 energy sources connect. Become one as you felt with the static electricity bond. Continue to breathe slowly, deeply, while focusing all thoughts on this energy transfer between you and your chosen object. Meet your relative. Greet your relative. Use the power of thought energy to speak to your relative, to invite the connection. Recognize this object as matter, energy, DNA connection to yourself, a relative with energy to share and connect with your own.